Hi. Sometimes it's very important for us to look into statements mathematically, depict them what it would be in the sense of maths, and then we try to find out certain inferences out of it. So that's the kind of question that I've brought for you today. Let the universal set X be the set of all students at a particular university. Let F denote the set of female students there. M denote the set of mathematics students. C denote the set of the students in the university choir. B denote the set of all biology students. And T denote the set of all tennis players. Describe the following sets. The first one is F intersection B intersection C. Intersection stands for, let me just here in the bracket, let me just write it down. So if you have A intersection B, it essentially means it's a set of all elements from the universal set such that the element is in A as well as in B, okay? So when we say F intersection B intersection C, what do we mean? It means that it needs to have all female students who opt for biology, that is, it is all female biology students who are also in the university choir. So basically, intersection stands for and. So all female students, and they must be in biology class, and they must be in the university choir. That is what symbolically this means, F intersection B intersection C. More appropriately, F intersection B intersection C consists of all female biology students who also belong to the university choir. The next symbol I want you to be carefully telling me is M intersection F. M denotes also the set of all mathematics students and F denotes the set of all female students. So clearly M intersection F would mean mathematics and female students together. So that means we're talking about all female mathematics students. So clearly M intersection F is the set of all female mathematics students. The next symbol I want you to carefully pause and write down wherever you're noting this. Now, this symbol stands for minus or exclusion. So M intersection B, exclusion C, exclusion, the entire thing excluding T. What would that mean? In other words, if you want to simplify for yourself, so you have M intersection B minus C, and then the entire thing, whatever is the result, minus T. So what set will you get out of this? So clearly, the intersection tells you that you want students who have both mathematics and biology. So it will be the set of students who have both mathematics as well as biology, but you don't want them to be in the choir. But they should not be part of the university choir. And whatever is the result should not be a part of the tennis club also. Okay, so they should not be playing tennis as well. So in total, what does it mean? It means that we are talking about all the students who have both subjects, mathematics as well as biology, but neither are they in the choir group, nor are they playing tennis. That is what it would ultimately mean. So it will be the set of all students in X who study both mathematics and biology, but are neither playing tennis nor they belong to the university choir. Now let's do an exercise to go the other way around. So if a statement is provided to you, then how to depict it set theoretically? So write down the following in set terminology. If the statement says all biology students are mathematics students, what is it telling you? It's telling you that the set of all biology students is very well within the set of mathematics students. So set of biology students is contained in the set of mathematics students because everything in this set needs to be a part of the set M. All biology students are mathematics students. So that means B is contained in M, because by the definition of subset, this would mean that anything that is in B implies automatically that it is in M. Okay? Now, the next statement, there are female biology students in the university choir. So, how to depict it theoretically? So, there are female biology students. So, female biology student means it has to be an intersection of F with B, right? Think set theoretically. How will you write it symbolically? There are female biology students in the university choir. That means, first of all, female and biology, and they are in the university choir. So that means if I take the intersection of female biology students, that is F intersection B, if I take the intersection of that with college university choir, that will not be phi. There does exist somebody in the choir from F intersection B, that is female biology students. It was not specified whether all are in the choir. It was nothing of that sort was specified. So this is the best symbolically what we can portray it as. The next one, no tennis player studies biology. So that means the intersection of tennis players, that is the set of tennis players T, and the set of biology students B, this intersection clearly is equal to phi, because there is nobody, there does not exist even a single student who is a tennis player along with being a biology student. So their intersection, that means, is absolutely phi. Phi is a set of no elements, null set. Pause and now work this out. Those female students who neither play tennis nor belong to the university choir all study biology. So what would this depict symbolically in set theory? Okay, I hope you must have got it right by now. So you are talking about all the female students who are neither playing tennis nor are in the choir. That means all the female students, F stands for that, who are not playing tennis. So exclude the tennis players from that set. And you also have to exclude the choir. Exclude the choir. So if you will take F, exclude tennis player, you have female students who are not playing tennis. And then you also, in case there are some people left who are in the choir, you take them out. Okay, that will give you that then neither the set of female students who are neither playing tennis nor are in the choir, they all study biology. If they all study biology, that means anything that is in this set has to be a part of B, because they all study biology. So this would mean that any student who belongs to this group, this entire thing, that is female students who are neither playing tennis nor are in the university choir, they belong to the set of students who are studying biology. So this would be the correct notation for the statement given to you.